Welcome to Tao Energy Movement. Today we are going to practice the Paratan Bija sound BRIM. BRIM is related to the Vedic deity Brihaspati. He is the personification of purity and religion. Being the chief officer of prayer and sacrifice, he is the god of wisdom and eloquence. When you sound BRIM, you are evoking the sixth and second chakra. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale deeply to begin. BRIM. 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 Inhale. Exhale, releasing any tension. Inhaling love, setting the vibration in, and exhaling that vibration. Inhale to neutralize. Exhale to neutralize. Rubbing your palms together. Bringing your hot healing hands over your face, over your eyes. Rub your face. I love my face. I love my bright, shiny face. And then rub that energy, that brightness over the crown of your head, down your spine, up through the front of your chakras. And namaste. Look forward to seeing you next time. If you'd like to set up your own private session, do give me a call. through 206-465-4430, or you can reach me through my website, taoenergymovement.com, and we'll see you next time. Have a fantastic day.